Hi, welcome to Coding Architecture 1. My name is Gonzalo Casas. In this very short video, I'm going to guide you through the installation of the tools that we will use this semester. We're going to use three tools. The first one is Rhino 8. And the other two tools are a free text editor that it's called Visual Studio Code, and Git, which is a version control software. Both of these tools are free. Rhino 8, the installation of Rhino 8, you can follow the normal installation channels. You can download it from the McNeil website and install it as usual. And for Visual Studio Code, go to code.visualstudio.com and download it. It's available for all platforms. And for Git, you can go to git-scm.com and download it. It's also free. This is only necessary if you're on a Windows machine. On Mac computers, this is usually pre-installed, so you don't need to do anything. Okay, let's get this done. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open Rhino 8, and then I'm going to open Grasshopper either by clicking the icon here or typing Grasshopper here. And I'm going to add our very first Python script. I'm going to add a component to execute Python code in Grasshopper. I do this either by finding it in the components here or by double clicking the surface of the Grasshopper document. And then I search for Python. There's at least two different ones. I'm going to select Python 3 script. And now I can double click this one and a little window will open that has a bit of Python script. We're going to delete this and write our first Python script. This is going to be the hello world, which is the canonical example on how to get started with any programming language in general. So we are going to type print parentheses and then quotes and then any message, any text message. So I'm going to say hello world. I close the quotes, I close the parentheses, and now I can press play, the green icon here, and I should see this message as a result. I press here, I see hello world in here. Good, it's working. That means that we have our Python scripts are working. Now let's install the the software component that we're going to use. We can delete this code. And we're going to write two lines that might be a little bit cryptic, but they will be needed now. We start with a hash symbol, like a hashtag, and then we say R, like this means that we will require something, and we're going to require compass. Compass is the framework that we use for everything that is geometry. And we're going to tell it where to install it. It's called a virtual environment. So we type VM colon, and then we have to give our like a little sandbox, our little environment a name. So we're gonna name it CA for coding architecture dash help semester. So HS25. So the autumn semester 25. That should be enough for this to install everything. We're going to add a bit of code to test it. So we're going to say import compass. And then we're going to press enter. And the next line is going to say print again, parentheses. And then what we're going to print is going to be compass dot two underscores version and two underscores. Don't be afraid about this code. This is things that we will learn later on. For now, we just want to do this in order to see if we have the correct version of Compass installed. So we press play, This will do some installation, so you'll see this green bar. It might take more or less depending on your computer and your network. Um, and then eventually you will see down here a version number. It's going to be 2.13, 2.14, 2. Maybe 2.14.2, something like this. It should be something like around 2 point and a number higher, around 13 or higher. But that means that we have everything ready. We are ready to start learning to code. So thank you very much and see you soon.